In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate Airtable with Microsoft Outlook seamlessly using Zapier. Whether you're organizing a personal agenda or managing a team calendar, syncing these two platforms will streamline your workflow. This integration ensures that any new or updated record in Airtable automatically translates into an Outlook calendar event. First things first, let's make sure you're familiar with Zapier. Zapier is a tool that connects different apps and automates workflows between them. With its user-friendly interface, it can handle tasks that would otherwise require manual input. To start, head over to Zapier's website and log into your account. If you're doing this for the first time, you'll need to create an account, which is quite straightforward. Once you're in, it's time to create what's called a Zap. A Zap links two apps together and consists of two parts, a trigger and an action. For this integration, our trigger is a new or updated record in Airtable. This means every time you add or modify a record in Airtable, it will prompt an action. So, select Airtable as your trigger app. Zapier will then guide you through selecting new or updated record as the trigger event. After choosing your trigger, connect your Airtable account. It's important to ensure that you have the necessary permissions to access the data you want to use. Next, let's set up the action. Here, we want this trigger from Airtable to create a new event in your Outlook calendar. So select Microsoft Outlook as your action app, then choose Create Calendar Event as the action event. Just like before, you'll need to connect your Microsoft account to Zapier to grant it the required permissions. Mapping your fields correctly is crucial for this integration to work smoothly. The data from Airtable needs to map accurately to create meaningful Outlook events. Start by mapping the Airtable date field to the Outlook event time. This ensures that the timing of your events in Outlook corresponds to the dates in Airtable. Next, map the name field from Airtable to the Outlook event title. This step is essential for keeping track of what each event is about without having to second guess. With everything mapped out, you're almost there. All that's left to do is activate your Zap. By doing this, you're effectively setting the integration process into motion. From here on, any relevant changes in Airtable will reflect as events in Outlook, saving you time and keeping your schedule organized automatically. And there you have it, a straightforward way to integrate Airtable with your Microsoft Outlook calendar using Zapier. This process ensures that you never miss an update or forget an important meeting again. Take a moment to double-check all connections before you rely on this automation fully, and watch as it enhances your workflow efficiency seamlessly.